Curious to understand how fractional jet ownership works at Flexjet? Your investment secures a set number of annual flight hours, supported by Flexjet's global fleet, expert crews, and fully managed operations. Flexjet assumes responsibility for pilots, training, maintenance, insurance, and scheduling, allowing you to focus on outcomes rather than overhead. You enjoy the advantages of ownership, such as Red Label by Flexjet hospitality, partnership access, and exclusive experiences, without diverting time, capital, or attention toward operational management. The program is aptly structured around financial predictability. A monthly management fee and fixed hourly rate create clarity and control, while fuel charges adjust with market conditions. This approach simplifies budgeting, supports long-term planning, and minimizes inconsistencies often associated with smaller charter providers, aligning well with how business leaders evaluate recurring travel costs. What truly sets fractional ownership at Flexjet apart is direct access to travel solutions tailored to your priorities. Flexjet aircraft owners benefit from priority scheduling and dependable availability, along with the flexibility to interchange between aircraft types or helicopters as mission needs evolve. Through our integrated fleet, mobility becomes a scalable resource rather than a fixed constraint. Fractional ownership with Flexjet is more than flying privately. It is a thoughtful, capital-efficient mobility strategy for those who view aviation not as just a luxury, but as an essential tool for how they move through the world. At Flexjet, you won't just be flown, you'll be moved.